Algorithmic business thinking is crucial for navigating the digital age. It enables leaders to leverage data-driven insights, optimize processes, and foster innovation. By integrating algorithms into decision-making, businesses can enhance efficiency, predict market trends, and maintain a competitive edge. This approach is vital for adapting to technological disruptions and ensuring long-term success.
Technological advancements are reshaping business landscapes, rendering traditional models obsolete. Organizations must evolve their thinking and operations to remain competitive. Algorithmic thinking offers a strategic framework to navigate these disruptions, enabling businesses to innovate, optimize processes, and enhance decision-making in a rapidly changing environment. A Tech Republic survey revealed that 60% of organizations significantly changed their digital transformation strategies during the COVID-19 pandemic. This shift highlights how digital transformation has become essential for survival, not just a strategic advantage. Companies that didn't adapt quickly faced operational challenges and struggled to meet evolving customer demands. Gary Hamel highlights a critical issue. Outdated management principles hinder digital transformation. This disconnect causes friction as organizations struggle to align rapid technological advancements with traditional business processes. Bridging this gap is essential for leveraging technology's full potential and achieving seamless digital integration. Algorithmic business thinking, developed by MIT Sloan's Paul McDonough Smith, is a framework for digital transformation. It involves adopting computational thinking, breaking complex problems into manageable parts, and bridging technical and business domains. This methodology fosters sustainable competitive advantage by aligning technology with business strategy. Algorithmic business thinking introduces a common digital vocabulary, fostering shared understanding between business and technical teams. It bridges organizational silos, connecting isolated departments and expertise. This approach enhances human-machine collaboration, combining human creativity with machine precision and processing power, driving innovation and efficiency across the organization. Algorithmic business thinking's core principles offer a universal framework for digital transformation. These principles apply across industries, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. The first principle focuses on breaking down complex challenges into manageable components, enabling parallel processing and faster solution development. This modular approach allows for innovative recombination and efficient workload distribution across teams and systems. Breaking down complexity involves decomposing intricate business challenges into smaller, manageable components. This method reduces overwhelming problems into solvable parts, enabling parallel processing and faster solution development. It creates modular components for novel recombination and distributes workload across teams and systems, enhancing efficiency and innovation. Pattern recognition involves identifying recurring structures in business data, analyzing success factors, and transferring knowledge across domains. This approach enhances problem-solving by leveraging institutional knowledge and cross-domain insights, creating a multiplier effect. Iteration and refinement ensure continuous improvement, enabling organizations to adapt successful patterns to new challenges effectively. Abstraction sharpens focus by stripping away irrelevant details, allowing decision-makers to concentrate on key elements. It eliminates distractions, highlights core variables, and fosters strategic thinking. By creating shareable mental models, abstraction enhances clarity and facilitates effective communication, ensuring that attention is directed towards what truly impacts business outcomes. Human strengths like creativity, empathy, and ethical judgment complement machine capabilities such as data processing and pattern recognition. This synergy enhances problem-solving and innovation. By leveraging these strengths, organizations can achieve outcomes that surpass the capabilities of humans or machines working independently. Algorithmic business thinking, ABT, significantly enhances organizational performance. Companies adopting ABT report increased innovation, efficiency, and adaptability. This strategic approach aligns technology with business goals, driving measurable improvements and competitive advantage. Accelerating digital transformation through algorithmic business thinking, ABT, leads to 30% faster AI implementation and a 40% higher project success rate. Aligning technology with business objectives reduces costs by 25%. Massachusetts Institute of Technology Sloan's research confirms stronger returns on technology investments when ABT guides strategy.
Embracing ABT fosters a digital elite workforce, fluent in business and technology, enhancing cross-functional collaboration. Employees are empowered to innovate, boosting organizational agility. This approach not only attracts top digital talent, but also retains it, expanding the customer base and driving sustainable growth.
Leadership evolves from command and control to experimental approaches, emphasizing distributed decision-making and rapid experimentation. This shift fosters adaptive strategies and radical transparency, enabling environments where algorithmic thinking thrives. Leaders transition from directing to facilitating, unlocking significant long-term value through cultural transformation. MIT Sloan's ABT program offers a 7-week self-paced course featuring live webinars, podcasts, and collaborative activities. Participants engage in real-world case analyses, simulations, and peer learning. Each develops an algorithmic business thinking journal to apply concepts to their organization, culminating in an actionable implementation roadmap. Implementing algorithmic business thinking, ABT, demands a strategic approach, addressing cultural, technological, and organizational dimensions. A 4-step framework guides organizations in this journey, ensuring a comprehensive integration of ABT principles. This framework is essential for aligning teams and resources effectively, paving the way for successful adoption and transformation. Creating a common digital language is crucial for ABT. Train cross-functional teams in algorithmic thinking, develop glossaries for key concepts, and establish translation mechanisms between business and technical domains. Recognize and reward those who bridge communication gaps, ensuring a cohesive understanding across the organization. Fostering a culture of experimentation involves creating a safe-to-fail environment where teams can innovate without fear. Encourage rapid prototyping to test hypotheses swiftly. Use data-driven feedback with clear metrics to evaluate outcomes and refine processes. Celebrate learning from failures to drive continuous improvement. Identify tasks where human creativity excels and where machine efficiency is optimal. Design workflows that integrate human and artificial intelligence contributions seamlessly. Build trust with transparent, artificial intelligence systems that explain their reasoning. Upskill employees to collaborate effectively with artificial intelligence tools. Establish feedback mechanisms for continuous improvement of human artificial intelligence systems. Utilize algorithmic analysis to uncover market trends and opportunities. Formulate strategies that harness these insights and computational strengths. Conduct small-scale experiments to test strategic hypotheses, ensuring they are viable before full implementation. Refine and scale successful strategies adaptively, using performance data to guide continuous improvement. Effective implementation of algorithmic business thinking relies on a robust ecosystem of tools and frameworks. These resources enable organizations to operationalize abstract concepts, facilitating their application to real-world business challenges. By leveraging these methodologies, businesses can systematically address complex problems, enhance decision-making, and drive innovation. The Algorithmic Business Thinking Toolkit includes decomposition frameworks, pattern recognition tools, and abstraction methods. Decomposition frameworks, like the business process. Decomposition canvas, break down complex problems. Pattern recognition tools, such as the cross-industry pattern database, identify reusable patterns. Abstraction methods, including the business model abstraction canvas, focus on core elements by removing unnecessary details. Visual tools like Wordly maps illustrate the evolution of business components, while dependency graphs map relationships and dependencies. Value stream maps identify waste and optimization opportunities, and decision trees model decision points and outcomes. These tools make abstract business components tangible, enhancing strategic decision-making and operational efficiency. The machine learning canvas is essential for aligning business objectives with model development. Start by defining the business questions the model will address, such as specific decisions or predictions. Identify necessary data sources, assessing their quality and completeness. Finally, articulate the value proposition by specifying metrics for improvement and quantifying the business impact to ensure a clear return on investment. A global tech company faced high data center energy consumption. By decomposing energy usage, applying manufacturing cooling techniques, and creating simplified usage models, they achieved a 22% energy reduction. Human-machine collaboration, integrating sensor data with expert oversight, was key. This led to a new hybrid licensing model for energy management software. Implementing algorithmic business thinking, ABT, faces resistance due to organizational inertia and attachment to traditional methods. Proactively addressing these challenges is crucial. Secure executive sponsorship and craft narratives aligning ABT with existing values to facilitate adoption. Pilot teams demonstrating quick wins can generate momentum, showcasing ABT's potential and easing the transition. Organizational inertia often hinders the adoption of algorithmic approaches. To counter this, secure visible executive sponsorship and craft narratives linking algorithmic business thinking to existing values. A manufacturing firm successfully overcame resistance by forming pilot teams that achieved quick wins, thereby generating momentum and fostering acceptance. Organizations face skill gaps in implementing algorithmic thinking. Effective strategies include investing in digital upskilling, partnering with institutions like Massachusetts Institute of Technology Sloan, fostering internal peer learning communities, and implementing mentorship programs. Strategic hiring is also crucial to fill critical skill gaps, ensuring a workforce capable of leveraging algorithmic approaches effectively. Data silos hinder comprehensive analysis, while inconsistent data quality erodes trust in algorithmic insights. Legacy systems further complicate the adoption of modern algorithmic approaches. Establishing robust data governance frameworks and modernizing infrastructure are crucial steps for organizations to effectively harness algorithmic thinking and drive informed decision-making. Addressing ethical concerns in algorithmic business thinking is crucial. Organizations must tackle algorithmic bias, ensure privacy, and maintain transparency. Human oversight is vital to prevent unfair outcomes and manage societal impacts. Establishing ethical frameworks and governance structures is essential for trust and accountability in algorithmic decisions. Human capabilities are crucial in algorithmic business thinking, ABT. Successful implementations leverage human strengths such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical judgment to complement technological advancements. By enhancing these uniquely human attributes, organizations can achieve a harmonious integration of human and algorithmic efforts, leading to more effective and innovative business solutions. Creativity and curiosity are vital in algorithmic business thinking. Humans excel at asking novel questions and making unexpected connections, which algorithms can then explore. Emotional intelligence and ethical judgment are uniquely human strengths, providing moral guidance and understanding of needs. Algorithmic business thinking supports these by alleviating routine tasks and offering insights from complex data. Creating the right conditions for algorithmic thinking involves fostering both physical and psychological environments. Collaborative spaces and visual tools support cross-functional interaction and complex relationship mapping. Psychological safety encourages novel approaches, while recognition systems reward algorithmic thinking. Leadership should model curiosity and data-driven decisions, supported by technology infrastructure for experimentation. Paul McDonough Smith, as Digital Capability Leader at Massachusetts Institute of Technology Sloan Executive Education, champions the fusion of human skills with machine power through algorithmic business thinking. His programs have empowered thousands of executives to become digital heroes, driving organizational transformation and innovation across industries. Organizations have harnessed algorithmic business thinking to achieve significant results. These success stories highlight how algorithmic business thinking principles have been applied to enhance efficiency, innovation, and profitability across various sectors. By integrating human expertise with machine capabilities, companies have transformed their operations, setting new benchmarks for industry performance. A global financial services firm with over 50,000 employees enhanced AI ROI by 30% through algorithmic business thinking. They established cross-functional centers of excellence, standardized AI investment evaluation frameworks, and utilized pattern recognition for successful strategies. Feedback loops between business users and AI teams were crucial in refining approaches and achieving these results. A manufacturing company identified digital literacy gaps across operations, engineering, and management. They implemented a comprehensive ABT curriculum with customized tracks for various roles. Cross-functional initiatives applied ABT principles to business challenges, resulting in 85% of employees improving digital fluency and a 65% increase in cross-team collaboration metrics. A retail organization faced challenges with a traditional hierarchical culture. The executive team engaged in intensive algorithmic business thinking leadership training, redistributing decision rights and implementing data-driven frameworks. Rapid experimentation processes were established, reducing decision cycles from weeks to days, enhancing market responsiveness by 40%, and boosting innovation metrics by 35%. Algorithmic business thinking, ABT, will evolve with technological advancements, influencing digital transformation. Emerging trends indicate ABT's role in enhancing decision-making, fostering innovation, and improving efficiency. As businesses become more digital, ABT will be crucial in navigating complex environments, ensuring organizations remain competitive and responsive to future challenges.
Algorithmic business thinking, ABT, is pivotal in shaping a digital society. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers Digital Transformation Initiative highlights ABT as essential for digital citizenship. The World Economic Forum includes it in workforce readiness for the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Corporations now require ABT certification for leadership roles, underscoring its importance in complex digital environments. Algorithmic thinking frameworks are evolving with emerging technologies, driving business innovation. Quantum computing leverages ABT to translate capabilities into applications. Edge AI demands novel algorithm development for distributed intelligence. Internet of Things' vast sensor networks generate new data patterns to exploit. Blockchain's decentralized systems necessitate fresh abstractions for business value flows. Algorithmic business thinking, ABT, is transforming various sectors. In government, it enhances service delivery and policy development. Healthcare benefits from improved diagnostics and personalized treatments. Education sees ABT in curricula, boosting learning outcomes and efficiency. These applications demonstrate ABT's potential beyond traditional business environments. Developing algorithmic thinking requires hands-on practice. Engage in exercises that apply ABT principles to real business challenges. These activities, whether individual or team-based, are crucial for effective ABT implementation in your organization. In this workshop, select a significant business challenge. Identify its major elements, then decompose each into smaller, manageable components. Map dependencies and determine which components can be addressed in parallel. This structured approach enhances efficiency and clarity in tackling complex issues. Analyze past initiatives by documenting key characteristics and outcomes. Identify patterns distinguishing success from failure, focusing on non-obvious factors. Create a template capturing these success patterns for future use. Test this template on current challenges, refining it based on feedback and results to ensure its effectiveness and adaptability. Abstraction mapping hones the skill of distilling complex business processes. Start by selecting a process, listing all variables, and assessing their impact. Simplify by retaining only high-impact elements. Test this model's predictive power against the detailed version. This exercise sharpens the ability to focus on essential information, enhancing decision-making efficiency. In human-machine collaboration simulation, create a scenario like customer segmentation, leveraging both human judgment and computational power. Allocate tasks to human and machine teams based on strengths. Design interfaces for seamless information exchange and decision-making. Execute the simulation, documenting collaboration challenges and opportunities for enhanced synergy. Measuring success in algorithmic business thinking, ABT, initiatives involves tracking both implementation progress and business outcomes. Establish a comprehensive measurement framework to assess the impact, ensuring investments in time and resources yield tangible benefits. This framework guides continuous improvement by providing insights into the effectiveness of ABT strategies, aligning them with organizational goals. Key performance indicators for algorithmic business thinking include digital fluency, with 85% of employees proficient in algorithmic concepts. Artificial intelligence return on investment shows a 30% improvement in technology investment returns. Innovation velocity increases by 40%, and decision speed sees a 25% reduction in decision-making time. Establish baseline metrics and report regularly to stakeholders for effective measurement.